Hello! Hi, it's teacher Dinela from Language Royals, online English school. Hi guys! I just had a lesson with one of my students and he was pretty much confused about the adverb adjective usage. Oh my god, the weather outside. Wow. So I'm here today to try to explain it to you. Hi, how can I help you?
I don't know. Ow, sorry.
Get up. I love you, baby. Na 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 na. I need you, baby.
I'll record by yourself.
I want to record it by myself. People
I'll
here.
hold out to.
Oh my! I have to speak, Kiara. Don't. She's not letting me. Kiara.
Much better.
Okay, she left now, so I can continue. This noun, verb, adjective, adverb thing confuses everyone. But let's put it this way. Let's put it in a very different way. It's very easy, guys. You have to understand that. You just have to visualize it. Once you do, you will not make any other grammatical mistakes. We got 4 main types of words in English. As I said, nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. How do we use them together? It's simple. Number 1 goes with number 3. And number 2 goes with number 4. So if nouns go with adjectives, we say the car is big. Word car is the noun and big is the adjective. Then 2 goes with 4, which is verbs go with adverbs. Use your phone properly. Use is the verb, properly is the adverb. Now, there's the third group that is made of adjectives and adverbs.
How can we put adjectives and adverbs together?
Well, it's ridiculously easy to do it. There you go, I just said it. Ridiculously easy. Ridiculously is an adverb and easy is an adjective. I just put them together. It's ridiculously easy to do this. Let's use another example sentence. I was deeply concerned about my dog, but then the vet told me he was fine. So I'm not deeply concerned anymore. Deeply concerned. It's an adverb with an adjective. Ta-da! I just need you to visualize these 3 groups. Visualize them. Number 1, nouns go with number 3, adjectives. Number 2, verbs go with number 4, adverbs. And number 3, adjectives go with number 4, adverbs. Please give me your example sentences of all of these 3 groups in the comment section down below and tell me what would you like the next lesson to be about. Follow us on Instagram and check our website for online English classes. Love you guys!